Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome current stable release on Debian Linux 13.5, but the process is same on all Debian Linux operating systems. First verify whether Chrome comes as the default application. So you don't have Google Chrome, so open the default browser that comes with Debian Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Then click on download and install Google Chrome computer, or click on this fast and secure web browser. Then click on download Chrome. Then select .debian package for Debian or Ubuntu type operating systems. Then click on accept and install. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 124 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads, ls. Now install this package. Sudo dpkg-i, then Google, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill enter Debian package name. Hit enter, then provide the password of the currently logged in user. Hit enter. Okay, switch to root account. Now run the same command, sudo dpkg-i, Google, press the tab, hit enter. See, we are installing Google Chrome current stable release 148. Successfully installed. Now go to all applications, show applications. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. See, here the checkbox is make the Google Chrome as the default browser. If you want, select keep the checkbox. And if you want to automatically send usage statistics and cost reports to Google, you have to keep the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on OK. Don't sign in. See, you got the Google Chrome browser. So you have successfully installed ls. This file is not required anymore, so remove it to clear the space. Google, hit enter. We have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome current stable release 148 on Debian Linux 13.5. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.